कब्रिस्ताना खातीर सुवात आसा ती म्युनिसिपालिटीन ताब्यान घेतिल्ली आसा म्हण कब्रिस्तान प्रकल्प हो म्युनिसिपल प्रकल्प आसा तो एमओयूक दिवप जावचें ना तशेंच ते सुवातेर मस्जिद जावचें ना धार्मिक थळाक मुळावी जी रचना जाय ताची ते सुवातेर बांधणी करतले नगर नियोजन मंत्री विजय सरदेसाय उलयला आरडीएक्स को ब्युरो रिपोर्ट
चीफ मिनिस्टरान एक फर्म व्यू घेतलो की जमीन एक्वायर केल्या म्युनिसिपालिटी सो Kabrasthan project will be a municipal project. It will not be handed over to the MOU and all stands rescinded. He says everything that has happened previously is now being whitewashed. We speak with it's a new chapter. So a new chapter and लोकांची apprehension अशी आहा की थंय एक मस्जिद येतली थंय sound येतली so मस्जिद थंय येवची ना. This is what he has specified. Though the minimum structures which are required for religious rights only will be allowed. It will be that area will be made into a silent zone. Second. Third, he says that I will also meet up with the people who are aggrieved. Terracing will be done to save area. And tani ta ek issue kello ki private forest area. He says I will get that private forest diverted through central point. So कायदो फॉलो करूनच प्रोजेक्ट सुरुवात जाता एंड विथ अ प्रॉपर स्टडी ताणें सांगलां की म्हजे बरोबर ताणें मिटींग घेवच्यो सगळ्यांक बरे भशेन घेवन तो इशू सॉल्व करूंक जाय देर वॉज ऑल्सो रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्स ऑफ द CSJP who said that they were speaking on behalf of the Archbishop and they said that they were in support of the Kabrasthan. सगळ्यांक मेळचें. I think there is unanimity that in death there should be some respect to the dead. तातून मरणाक मरता मनीस तेन्ना ताका रायट्स सारके जावचे हातून सगळ्यांचे एक मत आहे. This we will take forward. The point is now as a municipal project nobody will have monopoly over the project. Every section of Goan society has to be catered to. If there are concerns about environmental degradation, those concerns have also got to be taken. We will see that no injustice is done in this section.